Let me show you how to change your control center on your iPhone under the iOS 17 update. Now, as you can see here, I'm still on the iOS 16 update from this control center, but I can still show you how to change it on the iOS 17. So first you go to settings, go to general, and go to the software update section and make sure to update your device to the 17 or to iOS 17 if available for your device. Now, once you do that, you can go back from here and go to Control Center right under General. And then from here, you'll find all of the options that can be in your Control Center. You can tap on the red button on the left side of the available ones or the set ones already to remove it from there. So tap there and then tap on Remove at the right. It will be removed. To add any option, you can choose one and then tap on the green plus right on the left of it, and it will be added to your control center. So that is pretty much how can you change the control center on your iPhone under the iOS 17. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.